Have you ever wondered how just one spoon can help bring almost any struggling plant back to life? Stay with me, because today I'll show you a simple natural method that many gardeners use to support healthier growth. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a bowl. Turmeric contains natural compounds that help keep the soil cleaner and support healthier roots, especially when plants are under stress. Next, add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds provide a gentle source of nitrogen and organic matter that improves soil structure and encourages fresh green growth. Mix both ingredients well. Gently loosen the upper layer of soil around your plant. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of this mixture evenly around the base. Lightly mix it into the top layer without disturbing the roots, then water the plant as usual. The moisture helps carry the nutrients into the soil where the roots can gradually absorb them. For plants that already look weak, mix 1 teaspoon of this blend into 1 liter of water. Stir well, let it sit for 20 minutes, then strain the liquid. Use it to lightly spray both sides of the leaves and pour the remaining solution around the roots. This gives the plant gentle support above and below the soil. Try this simple natural method once every 2 to 3 weeks, and with proper light and watering, your plants can gradually become healthier and more vibrant. Happy gardening!